2,000,000 and 1,315,628 deaths. Libya talks end without naming government, but talks are to continue.
Welcome back. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi on Sunday inspected the State Strategic Command Center at the new administrative capital. The center is built in accordance with the latest international standards to cope with the state's future vision. The president was accompanied by the Prime Minister Mustafa Medbouli, Minister of Defense Mohammed Zaki, and Army Chief of Staff Mohammed Farid, as well as a number of high-ranking army commanders. Presidential spokesman Ambassador Bassem Radi said the head of state listened to a detailed explanation on the components of the command center and the development of its construction infrastructure, as well as its technological system, security and smart control systems, which builds the country's management capabilities under different circumstances. Radi added that President Sisi hailed the sincere efforts exerted to finalize the project according to the time scheduled, expressing the state's keenness to develop its capabilities in all domains and implement the state-of-the-art technologies. The State Strategic Command Center includes a number of worship houses, sports clubs, hotels, schools, shopping malls, housing projects, in addition to hospitals and administrative services centers, and secured by 2 presidential guards units.
The National Election Authority (NEA) on Sunday held a press conference to announce the results of the second phase of the parliamentary elections after counting the votes of Egyptian expats. Head of the National Election Authority, Councillor Lashin Ibrahim, said that the valid votes for the list system were 7,730,456 voters. Ibrahim added that the turnout of the second stage of the parliamentary election reached 29.5%. During an earlier international press conference, Ibrahim said that the authority had received all results from polling stations of the 13 governorates of the second stage after checking complaints of candidates.
Egypt reported 220 new coronavirus infections on Sunday, bringing the total number of cases to 110,767 people. Since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February, the Health Ministry also reported 11 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 6,453. The ministry added that 100 patients were discharged from hospitals, rising the number of those who have recovered to 101,046 people.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said on Monday that he was in good health and had no symptoms despite self-isolating after someone he was in contact with tested positive for the coronavirus. Britain has been the